What's up, guys? Real quick before this video gets started, I just need you guys to do one favor for me. Go onto my channel and hit the little bell icon so that way you guys know when I upload videos. I've noticed that my view counter has kind of gone down. I don't know if you guys have been getting my content or not. But if you guys could do me a huge favor, go on there, hit the bell for the notifications. That way you guys know when I upload. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. That's next. The G35 is coming in for a full wrap. That'll be our next little project.